So we started putting the plate back on the top here. So I need to rip some hemlock, and then 7.5-inch wide, 3 thicknesses will go in there. I started removing this corner, and this is a good reason why you don't remove stuff until you're ready to deal with it, because this looks pretty pathetic. You can see how bad it is. So we're gonna pull this whole thing out. Gonna have to go up further, probably 2 feet past that roof line. That's okay, that whole roof is coming off. So we're gonna just continue ripping it out. I'm gonna do some other stuff today probably, but basically this whole thing's coming out. And then fortunately it looks like we have a 2 by probably 5.5, going by other measurements that are in this house right here, and that's solid. So it appears that the water ran down this edge, sucked over, but didn't make the jump to the other one, which is perfect, and it makes sense too. So if we pull this whole thing out, and we're going to have to remove the nails in this siding, gently pull them out, because this goes back into the siding, going by the other corner, probably about 2 inches. So once we pull that out, pull all the siding pieces out, we can take all this out of here. Now the trick is we have to cut into it up there, but before I had to actually chisel it in layers, so that when I start building this in pieces, one piece will go further than the other piece and kind of ties it all together. Now we also have this base already built. There's other videos on that. So we have a good place to set it on. Yeah, we should be in good shape, because this goes all the way across there. The whole thing is already redone. The water came down and just ran right across it. So we should rip it out, and then we can start to rebuild.